Welcome to this video about the history of zero. The concept of zero is something that we take for granted in modern mathematics, but its development was a long and complicated process that spanned many centuries and cultures. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the history of zero and see how it became such an important part of our mathematical system. The earliest known use of a placeholder zero comes from ancient Mesopotamia around 3-4th century BCE, where a symbol for a blank space was used to indicate the absence of a value in cuneiform texts. The concept of zero, as both a placeholder and a number in its own right, was developed by the ancient Indian mathematicians around 5th to 6th century CE. They used small circles or dots to represent the concept of nothing or emptiness, which they called shunya in Sanskrit. Indian mathematician Brahmagupta was the first to give mathematical rules for the manipulation of zero, such as the rule for division by zero, which is undefined. The concept of zero and the use of positional notation, where the value of a symbol depends on its position, was spread to the Islamic world through the work of Indian mathematicians and Persian translators. From there it was transmitted to the rest of the world via trade routes and translations of mathematical texts. It wasn't until the 12th and 13th centuries, through the work of Latin translations of Arabic mathematical texts, that zero was introduced to the Western world. However, it took time for the concept to be fully understood and accepted in the West. In conclusion, the history of zero is a fascinating story of how different cultures and civilizations contributed to the development of this fundamental concept. From ancient Mesopotamia to medieval Europe, the idea of zero evolved and expanded until it became the essential building block of modern mathematics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.